Good morning. This is S.K. Ghosh. I would like to welcome all of you to our web seminar today on transitioning to ACI 3.18.14. Okay, with that, I will get started with the seminar itself. The previous edition of ACI 3.18 before 3.18.14, which we are going to talk about today, was ACI 3.18.11, and that was adopted by the 2012 edition of the International Building Code. The 2014 edition of ACI 3.18 is, on the other hand, adopted by 2015 IBC. 2015 IBC is the basis of the 2016 California Building Code, which will go into effect at state and local levels in California on January 1 of 2017. So this is why at this particular time, there is a lot of interest in 2015 IBC. It is being adopted not only in California, but also in the state of Washington on January 1 of 2017. Last week, we had a web seminar on changes from 2012 to 2015 IBC. At that time, I mentioned that the major standard, the ACE 7 standard, minimum design loads for buildings and other structures, from which all the loads and seismic design provisions of the code are drawn from, is not changing from the 2012 IBC to the 2015 IBC, except that supplement number 1 to ACE 710 is adopted into the 2015 IBC, while it is not adopted into the 2012 IBC. Now, because of ACE 7 not changing, the structural changes from the 2012 to the 2015 IBC aren't all that numerous or all that terribly significant most of the time. The changes really are coming from changes in the material standards. Of the 4 materials, the structural steel standards are not changing from the 2012 to the 2015 IBC. So the changes that you will have to deal with when, for instance, 2016 IBC, 2016 CBC is adopted, will be changes in the masonry standard, which is going from the current 2011 edition to the 2013 edition, ACI 3.18, which is going from the 2012 edition to the 2014 edition, and the wood standards, the national design specs, the specs, also the wood frame construction manual is changing this time. Of the changes in the standards, ACI 3.18 is particularly significant because it has undergone a thorough, complete reorganization between the 2011 and the 2014 edition. In addition, there are significant technical changes. So we thought it would be worthwhile devoting a web seminar just to the changes in ACI 3.18.14, and that's what we are on today. Okay, so the changes in 3.18.14, as I just mentioned, are organizational changes, also technical changes. Both types are very significant. I will start with the organizational changes and then go on to the technical changes.